I've wanted a top bar bag for my Salsa Cutthroat for a while now, and I ended up getting this in the mail. It's the Rockbros Top Bar bag. Now, it's designed to mount to the frame using straps that come with it, but I'm not big on the strap design, and I intend to leave it on the bike. And so I'm going to do something a little different. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make an insert out of plastic that will mount inside the bag. I'll put some holes through the bottom of the bag, and then they will go right into the inserts in the frame. Let's give this a whirl. So I have access to a CNC machine, so I found it easier for myself to be able to design the pieces that I want to make on the computer and just machine them quickly. Now, I understand not everybody has access to CNC equipment, and that's okay. This can be made out of wood, it could be made out of plastic still, and just manually made using hand tools. But this is the basic idea. So now I've got the block completed, I've got the hardware started, and now it's time to assemble. Just gonna snug it down nice, gently. And that should be it. I'm going to test it out before I commit to cutting off the front strap, but I think that might be able to go also. Alright, so that's the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. I think that's going to work out pretty well. Thanks for watching.